The Nvidia GeForce RTX 3090 is now having the same problem that their 3080 had just a week ago. You know, when Nvidia announced that they were launching their 3000 series, the hype was real. A lot of people wanted to get their hands on the new flagship graphics cards from Nvidia. But the one job Nvidia had was to at least have enough available for pre-order, and they didn't. And there was a big problem with the 3080 where they ran out of stock, had to cancel it was just a messed up pre-launch, pre-se. And they're having the same issue again with the 3090. They have run out of stock already, and this was just a few minutes before it was even official on many stores. And a lot of people are pissed off because people want to spend $1,500 of their hard-earned money on something, and for some crazy reason Nvidia doesn't have this product right now in stock, and it's not looking very good, which is really bad. Not having enough of this particular new flagship in stock is really horrible for gamers and computer builders that really want the best performing graphics card on the market. And for $1,500, I'm not saying people don't have $1,500 to spend on a graphics card, but $1,500 is not $150 or $15. It is $1,500. Not everyone has $1,500, so you can't really tell me that within a few minutes $1,500 was spent by a lot of people and you just went out of stock. Instead, so I don't know how many they had in stock, but I don't feel that these people had more than 100 in stock. That's my feeling. I may be wrong, but I don't feel they had enough. And we have a problem where a company that people really want to spend their hard-earned money on is running out of stock at launch. It is not very good. You understand? You really start killing your product by not having it in stock, because when people have the cash and the budget to put some funds to your product, you kind of have to deliver so that they don't lose interest, because when you don't do that on time, they'll run into losing interest, and instead you run into so many, the company runs into so many problems, and that's it. So they've come out to apologize, pretty much the same thing they did for their RTX 3080, and that's an apology. And the apology goes, since we built the GeForce RTX 3090 for a unique group of users like the Titan RTX before it, we apologize upfront that this will be in a limited supply on launch date. We know this is frustrating, and we're working with our partners to increase the supply in the weeks to come. That is the apology they gave, and it is pretty much similar to what they gave on their RTX 3080. But one thing is for certain, at least they're getting sales. To sell out in a few minutes, that means you're really getting sales, and a lot of people want their hands on your product. So it's not left for you to go back, produce more, and come and sell. And that is all. That is really, really all. Be sure to follow us on social media, guys. Subscribe to our channel, like our content, and I'll see you guys next time.